Yeah, Grandma's dandelion greens recipe with cauliflower.
And that's what we're making today on Theory is Simple. Hey, it's Eunice from Theory of Simple. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an old-fashioned recipe that I learned from my grandmother. She used to go out in the field and pick dandelion greens, and we would cook them up in some bacon fat and some sugar and some vinegar, and it was just one of my favorite things. Well, I don't have dandelions in my yard, but I'm gonna use that same recipe with cauliflower leaves and some green onions from my yard. So come along with me as I make this wonderful sweet and sour cauliflower leaf dish.
Oh my God, I'm gonna have a hernia.
I think I got a hernia trying to pull these out of that container. They're huge.
Most of us are familiar with the beautiful white cauliflower heads, but the leaves and stems can be cooked the same way you cook maybe collard greens or bok choy. They're packed full of vitamins, minerals, and fiber.
at this deliciousness. It smells, and I think it tastes amazing. Give me the chopsticks, hold on. Taste test time. All right, here we go. This is like the perfect, like hot and sour, sweet and sour vegetable. It's so good. You have to give this recipe a try. Now, if you don't have mirin or any of the seasoned rice vinegar, you can use apple cider vinegar and honey. Either of these will work to help give you that hot and sour, sweet and sour flavor to this dish. I hope you give this dish a try. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos, please hit the subscribe button. Until the next time, grow what you eat. Enjoy the simple life of a garden. I'll see you in the next video. Sharing this with anyone though. It's just for me. No, I'm sharing.
Whoopsie.